Okay, dear students, we are doing Eamcet mathematics complex numbers, and today we are going to finish this complex numbers chapter. And the last 5 questions we will do in this class. And these questions are from latest 2022. Okay, Eamcet 2022 latest questions. See, 36. So until now, 35 questions we have finished. 36 to 40 we will finish in this class. The area of triangle formed by the complex numbers z, iz and z plus iz in the organoid diagram as vertices. 3 points or 3 numbers, 3 points we can take as a vertices for triangle, and we will find area. Then we have to see whether which answer is going to come right. Okay, let us proceed further. See, iz and z plus iz we have to found. Why? Because see, z is xy, easily we can write that x and y. Okay, point. But what about iz? Let us see. See what I am writing. Z is x comma y. Why? Because we know very well x plus iy, x and y we are taking. But what about iz? Iz is equal to I into x plus iy, that is equal to ix plus I square y. Okay, this is equal to minus y plus ix. This is equal to point is what? Minus y comma x. That means second point is, see, first point is xy, second point is minus yx, and we have to find this also, z plus iz also. Okay, write down z plus iz. Z plus iz. Z plus iz is equal to x plus iy plus I into x plus iy. Okay, I into x plus I. Iz here only we have seen iz value will come minus y plus ix. Okay, write down. That is equal to x plus iy minus y plus ix. Okay, I square y. iz value is this one finally. Okay, iz value. Okay. See, x minus y, real part. X minus y plus I x plus y, x plus y, x minus y, x plus y. See here, unlike these two, third number is having points like x minus y, x plus y, but here minus y, x, y. Now you write down all these 3 points. See what I am doing now. I am writing down all the 3 points. You see, first point, say this is A, B, C, like. First point is x comma y, okay, comma. Second point is minus y comma x, okay. But third point is x minus y comma x plus y, okay. Now you write down a notation. Notation also you have to write down, and formula also you have to write down. You see what I am writing? Notation I am writing, you see. This is x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Okay? Okay. Now go for formula. Write down the formula. Delta area. Area delta is equal to half modulus x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2, close the modulus. Okay, this is the formula for area of the triangle. Now you substitute simply those values. Okay, let us substitute those values. That is equal to half modulus of x1. x1 is x. Okay, y2 is x. Okay, again minus y3. y3 is completely this. Minus of this means minus x minus y. Don't forget, minus x minus y. Plus x2, but x2 is having minus y, that is why you put only minus y. Okay, minus y into y3 minus y1. y3 means completely x plus y, you write, minus y1. y1 is what? Y. Plus, but x3 is okay, plus x3 means you x minus y, you write. You are multiplying, then you put some bracket, parenthesis, okay? X minus y, x3. y1 minus y2. y1 is y minus y2 is x. Close modulus. Okay, now expand this. You see, before expanding, see, plus x minus x you cancel out. plus y minus y you cancel out. Okay, then those also how to expand. Let us do. That is equal to of modulus of, see now minus x will come, minus xy. This is, and this is also minus xy. Okay, x into minus y, minus xy, minus y. See, this is minus y into x, so minus xy. Okay, now go for here. Okay, plus xy, plus is there, you need not keep anything, plus xy minus x square, okay, minus y square, okay, minus of minus plus xy, close the modulus. Okay, now also you see minus xy plus xy you cancel out, again minus xy plus xy you cancel out. Now what is this? This is like this, you see 1 by 2 modulus minus of x square plus y square. Is it okay? Why? Because x square is also minus, y square is also minus. Okay. Okay. Now I am taking it out from this modulus. As plus it will come. You see what will come? 1 by 2 into x square plus y square will come. Why? Because if it comes from out of the modulus, minus is going to become plus. We know very well, 1 by 2. But this we also can write as a mod z square. That is equal to 1 by 2 mod z square. X square plus y square under root is modulus z. X square plus y square is mod z square. Mod z square. What is this answer? This is this answer, number 1. 1 by 2 mod z square. Okay. This is 2002 latest question. Let us go. See, in this class all 5 questions I am going to do 2022. All latest questions. Then we will close this chapter. Let us go for 37th question. Okay. Okay, see 37th question. Answer 2022 all. If the argument of z1 and argument of z2 conjugate, okay, bar, are pi by 3 and pi by 5 respectively. That means first one pi by 3 is the argument of z1, pi by 5 is the argument of conjugate of z2. Then the value of argument of z1 and argument of z2 is like they are asking. Okay, 4 options they are given. Let us see what will come under. First let us take, why? Because the argument means tan inverse b by a. What we do, we will take a b form only. That means z1 means a1 plus ib1, z2 means a2 plus ib2, like that we will take. Okay, let us see how to proceed and all. Let z1 is equal to a1 plus ib1. Okay, and z2 is equal to a2 plus ib2. But we require conjugate of z2 also. Why? Because see z1, z2 they have asked z1 also, z2 conjugate also we require. Z2 conjugate we will write. Conjugate of z2 is equal to a2 minus ib2. Is it okay? a2 minus ib2. Minus ib2 means there imaginary part is minus b2. Okay, minus b2. That you take note. Okay. Now argument of z1. What will be the argument of z1? I am writing, you see. Argument of z1 is equal to tan inverse of b1 by a1. Okay, b1 by a1. Okay. This value they have given. How much respective means pi by 3. Pi by 3. Okay. Now write down. Argument of z1 tan inverse pi by tan inverse b1 by a1 is equal to pi by 3. Then what will be the b1 by a1 value? Tan pi by 3. Okay, tan pi by 3. Keep it like this only. Now why? Because don't do anything. Why? Because see pi by 3 value you may be knowing, but pi by 5 you don't know. Then we have to sum here, do calculation. That is why don't do that calculation. Simple question only. How to proceed and all observe. Okay. This is argument of z1 and p1 by a1 is equal to this. We have written. Okay. Now we go back again. Argument of z2 conjugate. Argument of z2 conjugate is equal to tan inverse of, what is the conjugate? Minus b2 by a2. See here minus is there. Don't forget. Plus I minus b2 or minus I b2. Both are same. Okay. Okay. Tan inverse of minus b2 by a2. This value is pi by 5. Pi by 5. Then minus b2 by a2 is equal to tan pi by 5. Okay, if I multiply with minus both sides, b2 by a2 is equal to minus tan pi by 5. Is it okay? Or else tan of minus pi by 5. Tan pi by 5. Okay. Now again I am writing, you see. One step we can write. b2 by a2 is equal to minus tan pi by 5. Let me write this one. I have multiplied with minus. Okay, see, tan minus theta is minus tan theta. Then b2 by a2 is equal to tan of minus pi by 5. Shall I write like this? Tan of minus pi by 5. Okay, leave it like this only. Okay, now go back again. Now they are asking argument of z2 and argument of z1. Argument of z1 already we are having tan pi by 3. Then now you go for argument of z2. Okay, argument of z2. Write down. Argument of z2 is equal to, now see, this is z2 bar. z2 means this one. Tan inverse b2 by a2. b2 by a2, z2. Okay. This value we don't know. This value we don't know. But see, b2 by a2, tan inverse of minus b2 by a2 is pi by 5 means, shall I take pi by 5? Minus pi by 5. This value is plus pi by 5. Okay, let it be. Say this is some theta. Say some x. Tan x is equal to b2 by a2. Is it okay? First you see. Tan x is equal to b2 by a2. b2 by a2 means, shall I take b2 by a2 as tan inverse minus pi by 5? Here already we have written na, b2 by a2 is equal to tan of minus pi by 5. Okay. But this you are having argument of z1. Argument of z1 is pi by 3. Tan inverse pi by 3. Okay. This you are having. Okay. Pi by 3. Tan inverse pi by 3. Then what we do? Simply pi by 3 minus pi by 5 you do it. Pi by 3 minus pi by 5. Why? Because see, earlier pi by 3, pi by 5 both are positive. But here, see, what is the positive or negative? That is conjugate. Conjugate means automatically it will come negative number. Okay, now I am writing argument of z1 plus argument of z2 is equal to, argument of z1 we know pi by 3. Okay, plus minus pi by 5. Why? Because see, z2 conjugate is pi by 5 means z2 is minus pi by 5. z2 is pi by 5 means z2 conjugate is minus pi by 5. Like that you have to take. Why? Because theta is going to change. Okay. Pi by 3 minus pi by 5 means, you see, 5 pi minus 3 pi. 5 pi minus 3 pi divided by 15. 3 into 5. Okay. What will be the answer? 2 pi by 15. 2 pi by 15. This is third one is the answer. Okay. Take this. We will go for 38th question. Okay. See question number 38. 1 minus I by 1 plus I whole to the power of 2022 plus 1 plus I by 1 minus I whole to the power of 2021 is equal to how much, like they are asking. All questions are from 2022 only I have taken. 4 options also they have given. Let us see what option will come. Before proceeding, let us find 1 minus I by 1 plus I, what value will come after getting rationalization. These two values, then it may come in I form. Then I to the power of 2022 or minus I to the power of 2022, like that we have to find. Let us proceed further. See what I am doing. 1 minus I by 1 plus I is equal to 1 minus I into 1 minus I divided by 1 plus I into 1 minus I. Why? Because conjugate of this denominator we have to multiply. Okay. See 1 minus I whole square, 1 square plus I square minus 2I divided by 1 square plus 1 square. A plus B into A minus B, A square minus B square. Okay, I square is there, that is why it will come like that. Okay. You see, I square is minus 1 plus 1 going to get cancelled. That means minus 2I by 2. That is equal to minus I. Okay, this value is minus I. Minus I to the power of 2002. We will write afterwards, but let us go for this also, 1 plus I. Okay, let us go for 1 plus I also. 1 plus I by 1 minus I into, I am directly getting rationalization. 1 plus I by 1 minus I, rationalization. 1 plus I. Okay, see 1 square plus I square plus 2AB, 2I. A square minus B square, I square into 1 square. Okay, this one. Okay. You see here also, I square 1 going to get cancelled, minus 1 plus 1. 2I by 2, that is equal to I. That means the second one, 1 plus I by 1 minus I value is I. Now you substitute. Let us substitute. Minus I to the power of, first one, minus I to the power of 2022 plus I to the power of 2021 is equal to. You see, 2022 means you need not divide with 4 all 2022. You divide only last 2 digits with 4. Okay, 22. See what I am doing? 22 if I divide with 4, 4 5s are 20, 2 will be remainder. That means this value, first one value is minus I all to the power of 2. Okay, remainder. Plus 2021 also you divide. Last 2 digits, 21. 21 if you divide with 4, 4 5s are 20, 1 will be the remainder. That means, see, for this plus I whole to the power of 1. 1 means I, that's all. Okay? Minus I whole square means plus I square. Plus I. But I square value we know, minus 1. Plus I, or else we can write I minus 1. This will be the option, I minus 1. Okay? Minus 1 plus I or I minus 1. You understand this question? Okay? Let us proceed for 39th question. Okay, see question number 39. The values of theta. Theta means we know very well. Okay? Argument or something like that. Okay, see, for which 3 plus 2 I sin theta by 1 minus 2 I sin theta is real. Is real means you make these two complex numbers rationalization and convert it into A plus IB form. A plus IB form if you convert, then only real means here B will be 0. A will be there but B will be 0. A plus IB. Okay, B will be 0. Purely real. Okay, imaginary part is 0. Then they are asking theta value is how much like. Let us proceed. We say directly we cannot say. If we proceed further, then we can understand this question. Okay. First, let us find one complex number. See, directly I am rationalizing. Okay, why we have got some experience. 2I sin theta divided by 1 minus 2I sin theta into 1 plus 2I sin theta by 1 plus 2I sin theta. Okay? Okay. Multiply. See, with 3 you do for both, then with 2I sin theta also you do both. Okay, see what I am doing. 3 means 3 plus 6I sin theta. With 3 over 3, 6. Okay? Now with 2I you do 2I sin theta 1 times. Okay? Plus 2I sin theta 1 time. 2 into 2, 4 I square sin square theta. All you see 2 square I square sin square theta. That means 2 square means 4 I square sin square theta. Okay. Denominator is very easy. Denominator, see 1 square plus 2 square sin square theta. That means 4 sin square theta. Okay. 1 square plus 2 square, I square also there, I square minus 1 and minus 1 plus will come. A square plus B square, A square minus B square. Okay. Okay. Now see, now what we have to do, you add a real part. I square means minus 1, minus 4 sin square theta, write down. 3 minus 4 sine square theta. Okay, I square value is minus 1. This is the real part. Plus, see, both are 6i sin theta, 2i sin theta. Shall I write 8i sin theta or I 8 sin theta? Is it okay? I 8 sin theta. 2 plus 6, 8 sin theta, sin theta. Okay? See, denominator now you segregate. 1 plus 4 sin square theta, 1 plus 4 sin square theta, like that you write. Okay, now wait. They are giving, this is a real part, only real number. That means imaginary part is 0. Write down. E is real, therefore imaginary part of z is equal to 0. Okay, imaginary part of z is equal to 0 means what I have to do? This is imaginary part. 8 sin theta divided by 1 plus 4 sin square theta is equal to 0. Now you send denominator that side. 8 sin theta is also 0. Okay. 8 sin theta 0 means sin theta is also 0. 8 you send denominator. Sin theta 0 means theta is equal to sin inverse 0. 0 degree or 0 pi. Okay. Theta only they are asking the value of theta like. Okay. Wait. Values of theta means immediately you can grasp. So this means this value is not coming at one area. Several times it will come. You see what I am writing? Circle diagram I am drawing. This is circle diagram for sin theta. Why? Because sin theta we have got. Okay. See, sin theta value, sin 0 is also 0. Sin 180 pi is also 0. That means see 0, 180, again 360, 540 like that it will come. 720 like that it will come. That means see 0, pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi, all pi's will come. Even negative side also. Okay? Minus 1 pi, minus 2 pi, minus 3 pi, minus 4 pi. Anything may come. That means what will be the answer? N pi, that's all. N may be integer, positive integer, negative integer, whatever it may be. That means see what I am writing. Theta belongs to N pi. Okay? Where N is integer. See this one. Theta is equal to N pi. N belongs to integer. This is the answer. Okay. Let us go for question number 40. Okay. See. Question number 40. Minus 1 plus I root 3 whole to the power of 60 value is how much, like they are asking. Okay. Latest question. See what I am doing. I am taking 1 plus minus 1 plus I3 as some z. Okay, write down. Let minus 1 plus I root 3 is equal to z. Then what I am doing, you see, z power 60 will be this one. Minus 1 plus I root 3 whole to the power of 60. Okay, now I am putting modulus both sides. Modulus of z power 60 is equal to modulus of minus 1 plus I root 3 power 60. Okay, this property we know very well. Okay, then you see, finally the value we have to find. Okay, modulus of z60 you keep it like this only. What is the modulus of minus 1 plus I? Minus 1 square plus root 3 square. Okay, minus 1 square plus root 3 square under root. Modulus we are doing, and now modulus will not appear, symbol, power 60 will be there. Okay, see what is the value of this? 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3, but under root whole to the power of 60. That is equal to modulus of z power 60. Okay, what is the value? 4. 4 root 4 means 2. That's modulus z power 60 is equal to 2 power 60. Okay, the value of this is 2 power 60. That's all. This is the answer for this question. Okay, we stop this class. We have done 40 questions in complex number. I hope these are enough for tackling this Eamcet examination. from complex number chapter. And what we do in the next class, we will meet for 2B, second year B, circle chapter Eamcet questions we will do. Okay, thank you very much.